So mostly from tomorrow the link will be changed. Manadeep, you can contact the team and you can register. Okay. So coming to the today's class, I have been creating objects. So previously, which objects I created? I created hiring manager object. Anyone remember? So I created this object, hiring manager object. I created hiring manager object, and also the next step I done. So I created the University of Arizona application. Okay, I created University of Arizona application. So inside the University of Arizona application, I created the object. Okay, which is nothing but a custom object I created. The custom object name is hiring manager object. Okay, I created an object. I created an application. Okay, after that I created an object. After that I created a fields. I created the tab. Okay, then I created fields for my hiring manager object. The next step is I need to page layout. Page layout is nothing but arranging the fields. Okay, arranging the fields. Okay, presented inside the object. Okay, arranging the fields presented inside the object. You can able to see it. Okay, like HR name. Okay, but these are not aligned in a proper order. Let me try to go and arrange it in a proper order. Okay, so I think everyone had been observed that I provided all this particular document. Okay, so for your reference, it will be easy for you to do the things. So presently I'm doing the page layout. What's the use of page layout, Ravindra? What's the use of page layout, Ravindra? Page layout is nothing but it is used to align the fields in a right order. Okay, let me try to go to the setup. Okay, I'm navigating to the object manager. I'm navigating to the hiring manager. So by default, one page layout pin existed. Okay, so hiring manager layout. Is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, Venkat.
Is my screen okay? So let me try to arrange all the fields. Okay, just whatever the fields, let me try to arrange it. HR email I'm keeping like this. I'm keeping all the fields one by one, side by side. Okay, so all the fields are there. Let me try to click on save. Okay, now I'm going to the hiring manager object. Let me try to refresh my screen. But these are not aligned. No worries. Let me try to log out and log in again. Then it will be aligned. Or let me try to refresh my screen. Now I'm navigating to University of Arizona. Is everyone able to see now? It all the records have been aligned in a structured order.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, just all the records have been aligned in a structured order. Okay, designation, Java developer or Salesforce developer, HR phone. Okay, let me try to click on save. Immediately the records have been saved successfully. Yeah, you can able to see. HR records have been aligned in a proper order. This is the thing. Anyone have any queries on this creating page layout? Anyone have any queries?
No, Venkat.
And another thing, when you're visiting to the bank, okay, you may observe uh, for example, when you're creating an account, okay, the agent will ask you, okay, what's your account? Your is a business account. Anyone observe this current account, business account? Okay, like current saving, like the even when you go to the ATM also it will ask you. Okay, like current account, saving account, NRI account, business account. Anyone observe this?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Current account, savings account. Okay, business account, and another is NRI account. Anyone observe this?
Yes, Venkat.
Your
Okay, these are
voice
not
may be breaking.
is for everyone facing the same issues. My voice is breaking.
Is okay.
Everyone facing the same issues. My voice is breaking. Vikrant, Vikash.
Not for me.
What about Vikash?
Now it's fine.
Your from your voice. My voice is not full. What about Ravindra? Ravindra, is my
Now
voice is
continue.
audible?
Now it's fine, sir.
Okay, I think
Again, maybe
from your
same
end,
breaking.
only. Vikrant, is my voice is clear for you?
Yes, it's clear.
Vikash, from your end only. Once please check it then.
Yes.
From, yeah. From your end only there is some issue. Yeah. Okay, so let us create. These are nothing but a record type. Ravindra, am I audible to you? Ravindra, am I audible? Okay, these are nothing but a record types. Okay, let us create a record type and let us create a page layout. First, we need to create a page layout, then we need to create. So, let us create a record type IT hiring managers and non IT hiring managers. Okay, let us create a record type IT hiring manager as well as a non IT hiring manager. Okay, let us create a record type IT hiring manager as well as a non IT hiring manager. Let's see this. Okay, let's go to object manager and let's go to hiring manager and let's go to page layout. Okay, first let's create a page layout and then we need to create the record type. Okay, I need to create the record type. The next step I need to proceed with the record type. Okay, first we need to create a page layout. After that we need to create a record type. Okay, for that page layout, let's see this. Okay, let me try to click on new. Okay, I'm using existing layout and first one is IT hiring manager. Okay, let me try to click on save. Okay, just I'm using existing all the things, all the fields, whatever it may be. Let me try to click on save. What is our next page layout? What is our next page layout, Ravindra? Non-IT hiring manager. Okay, I'm using the same page layout. If you want means you can modify it. Let me try to click on save. Okay, I'm removing like here in the non-IT hiring manager, I don't need this field. Is deleted. Okay, like just I'm removing some fields. Okay, fine. Let me try to click on save. Okay, like what are the page layouts I created, Vikrant? Vikrant, what are the page layouts I created?
IT hiring manager and non-IT hiring manager.
Yes, exactly. Okay, I created two page layout. Now let's create for IT hiring manager, IT record type, IT hiring manager record type. For non-IT hiring manager, non-IT hiring manager record type. Let's create two record types. Let's see. Let's go to the record type. Let's click on new. Okay, let's search for IT hiring manager, IT hiring manager. Okay, let's enable all these checkbox. Okay, let's click on next. Okay, for IT hiring manager, I'm selecting IT hiring manager layout. Okay, okay, let's click on save. Okay, for IT hiring manager, I created all these. Okay, let me try to go to the record type. Again, let's create a new. For non-IT hiring manager, let's create a non-IT hiring manager record type. Yeah, I think it's a master only. Okay, you need to enable these two checkboxes. Don't forget this. I'm saying again. When you're creating the non-IT hiring manager, enable these two checkboxes. Okay, don't forget. Even I mentioned here. When you're creating the non-IT hiring manager, don't forget enable these two checkboxes. Okay, let me try to click on next. So which page load I need to select here for non-IT hiring manager? Anyone from the class, please respond. Which page load I need to select here?
Non-IT hiring manager layout.
Excellent, exactly. Okay, I'm selecting the non-IT hiring manager layout. Click on save. Okay, now these are the record types I selected: IT hiring manager or non-IT hiring manager. That's it. Okay, these are the record types I selected: IT hiring manager as well as a non-IT hiring manager. Okay, now let's refresh my screen. Okay, you can click on new. It's not coming. 1 minute. Yeah, everyone able to see? I got the two record types as like current account and saving account, non-IT hiring manager and IT hiring manager. If you clicked on non-IT hiring manager, you'll get all the fields related to non-IT hiring manager. For example, if you clicked on IT hiring manager, you'll get all the fields related to the IT hiring manager. Everyone able to see this?
Yeah,
Yeah. Anyone have any queries on this?
not from my end. Like,
What about others? Vikash and Vikrant, everyone.
Sir, I'm creating two field, IT hiring manager or non-IT hiring manager. Manager. So what is the requirement for this, sir? For the support?
The requirement. Okay, just I need to create a record type. I told you the requirement. This is the requirement. Okay, for example, in the real time, if you take a banking, okay, this is a requirement
Okay.
if you got the same thing. Similarly, I created IT hiring manager. I think this is the second time you're listening the class. You're not understand it, Vikash.
Yeah, understand it, sir. Just I'm asking why I'm creating
Okay, I
this
think
IT hiring manager or non-IT.
yeah, Vikash is our previous batch student. Yeah, he did not. He came. Yeah, this is the thing. Anyone have any queries?
no, Venkat.
Anyone have any other queries? Yes. Because you practiced all these things, I hope so, previously, or you did not practice?
Sorry, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
you practiced all these things or you did not practice?
Practice, sir.
Okay, then fine. The requirement I hope I shown. Okay, just I am clicking on save. Immediately the records will be saved. Yeah. Just I created the hiring manager object with page layout, all these things. Okay, anyone have any queries like still now whatever I done object creation, tab creation, field creation. If it's okay means let us go to the position object.
Yeah, I
Okay, if
think we
it's
are
okay
okay.
means I'll go to the position object. Okay. The same similarly, just I'll create the position object. Yeah. Can I go to the position object?
Yes, please.
Okay, fine. Vikrant, are you able to understand? Ravindra, are you able to listen? Ravindra, are you listening? Ravindra, are you listening? Ravindra, are you listening? Think he is not listening. Okay, fine. So now let us, Vikrant, are you listening?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, fine. Okay, now let us create the position object with the
Can you
same
hear me?
structure. Yes, I'm able to hear you,
Venkat,
Vikrant.
can you hear?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yes, I'm able to hear you. Yeah. Okay, now let us create a position object. Okay, with the fields as well as like with the record types, and let us create the position object. Okay, and I'll give the assignment, a candidate object and employee object, some other object. I'll give the assignment. Okay, now let's see how to create a position object. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go to the position. I did not create a previously. Now let's create the position object. Click on create custom object. Okay, position object. The same process, whatever we followed for other object, the same process. Okay, just I'm mentioning as like a position ID. Okay, here I'm mentioning as an auto number. Okay, just I'm allowing all the things. After creating object, you need to create a tab. Let me try to click on save. Automatically process has been came. Okay, just I'm selecting this thing. Let me try to click on next. I'm clicking on next. I'm including this particular tab inside University of Arizona application. Let me try to click on save. Okay, you can go to, you can refresh your screen. This position object will be placed inside the University of Arizona application. Yeah, everyone able to see the position object.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, position object has been placed in University of Arizona application. Yeah. Okay, if you want to create means you can create. I'm saying again, I did not created any fields. Okay, this is the thing, it will be reflected. Yeah. So if you want to create a fields, okay, let's create a fields one by one inside the position object. Let's see this. Okay, how to create a fields. Okay, let's go to the position object. Okay, now let's create a fields. Let's create fields one by one. Okay, let's create a position name, job description like this. Position name, it's a text field. Okay, let me try to click on new. Okay, it's a, like a text field. Let us select the text. Okay, position name. Okay, length 15 characters. Okay, just let me try to click on save. Next. Okay, just I'm enabling the visible checkbox. Click on next. Click on save. Okay, just I created the position name. Like this, you need to create all other fields also. Let us create one by one. Job description, it's a text area long. Yeah, click on new. Okay, just I need to select the data type as a text area long. Okay, click on next. So just you need to select whatever it is available. Yeah. Let me try to click on next. I'm enabling the visible checkbox. Click on next. Click on save. Okay, just I created the job description, long text area. Okay, and another thing is just I need to create one by one fields, responsibilities, skills required one by one. Responsibilities, text area long. Yeah, I need to select the text area long, which is nothing but responsibilities. Okay, let me try to click on next. Enabling the checkbox. Click on next. Click on save. Yeah, I need to select other fields also. Okay, skills required. Okay, this is also text area long. Okay, skills required is a text area long. Click on new. Okay, text area long. You are selecting the text area long. You need to click on next. Okay, let me try to click on next. Enabling the checkbox visible. Click on next. Click on save. Okay, let me try to click on new. Let us create the fields like this one by one. Okay, another is educational requirements. Okay, it is a text area long. Let me try to select. Yeah, let me try to click on next. Okay, I'm enabling the visible checkbox. Click on next. Click on save. Okay, educational requirement. Like this, you need to select one by one by taking the fields. And minimum pay, it's a currency field. Okay, it's a. Okay, let me try to click on new. Currency. You can select the currency field. Yes. Okay, let me try to click on next. Okay, minimum pay, it's a currency field. Let me try to click on next. Checkbox visible. Click on next. Click on save. Yes. I created the field minimum pay. What is the next field? Okay, maximum pay. Everyone understanding what I'm designing? Vikrant.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, fine. Ravindra, are you listening the class? Ravindra. Okay, maximum pay is a currency field. Let me try to click on new. Okay, just I'm selecting the maximum pay currency. Click on next. Let me try to click on next. Vikash, can you please unmute your mic? There is some sounds are getting. Click next. Click save. Okay, just I created the maximum pay the currency field. And let us create other fields also. Yeah. Travel required. It's a checkbox field. Okay. Okay, let us create one by one. Click on new. It's a checkbox. Let us create the checkbox. Okay, it's a checkbox. Click on next. Enable the checkbox. Click next. Click save. Okay, travel required is a checkbox. Let us create other fields also. 1 minute, there is no charging. I'll ping the charge.